Hey, welcome to ArtCo Drone Solutions. This video is the last flight of 2022. It was the day before New Year's Eve. The day after, we had a big snowstorm here in Denver. It was a really nice day, but not too nice. I couldn't do this intro outside because we got like 6 to 8 inches of snow, and so I didn't want to be sitting out in that cold snow freezing my butt off. But what I did was I flew a test flight of the Mavic Air 2 that I bought from Police Auction website, and it's the second one that doesn't have any skin on it. So, but it had some really cool video on it, and you probably saw it in one of the other videos. I'll post a card or a link to it right here. So sit back, enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the icon in the lower right hand corner. And also don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is uploaded. And I do a live stream every Saturday evening at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern Time. And I do a giveaway each week of some really delicious Enstrom's almond toffee. Thanks for watching and keep 'em flying.